What color curtains go well with cream walls?
Hello and welcome to our guide on color coordination. Today, we are focusing on how to complement cream walls with the right curtain color choices. Remember, the key to achieving a harmonious interior design lies in understanding color relations and the ambience you wish to create.
Understanding cream walls.
First, let's dive into understanding cream walls. Cream is a versatile color. It's a shade of white that's been warmed up with yellow and brown. It's soft, inviting, and easy to match with a variety of colors. Cream walls can help you achieve a neutral yet warm and cozy atmosphere in your room.
Curtain colors that complement cream walls.
Next, let's talk about which curtain colors complement cream walls best. 1. Deep blue or navy. This creates a stunning contrast against the soft, warm cream. It brings a sense of sophistication and depth into your space. 2. Burgundy or deep red. These rich, warm tones pair well with cream, creating a bold and inviting ambience. 3. Green. Various shades of green can bring a refreshing, natural feel to your room. Dark green adds a touch of elegance while lighter shades keep things breezy and relaxed. 4. Brown or beige. If you're aiming for a more minimalist or earthy aesthetic, these colors will add a subtle elegance to your room. They complement cream's warmth without overpowering it. Remember, the curtain color should not only match the walls but also fit well with the rest of your decor.
Considering patterns and textures.
When choosing curtains, don't forget about patterns and textures. Patterns can add depth and interest to your space, while textures can create a sense of comfort and luxury. For instance, a cream wall paired with navy blue curtains in a velvet texture can create a luxurious and sophisticated room aesthetic. Choosing the right curtain color for your cream walls can significantly enhance the overall aesthetic of your room. Remember, the perfect curtain isn't just about the color, it's also about the material, texture, and how well it fits into the entirety of your room's design. Hopefully, this guide has given you some inspiration and guidance on your journey to create a space that reflects your personal style. Enjoy exploring your design options.